everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving another SQL problem from LeetCode, which is average time of process per machine. So in this one, we are given a logs of start and end times for processes, and we need to calculate the average time taken per machine. So let's understand the question and solve it together. So basically, we are given a table named activity with these columns: machine ID, process ID, activity type, and timestamp. So where machine ID is integer data type, process ID is also integer data type, activity type is enum data type, which is enum is basically also a string data type, which allows us to restrict a column's value to a predefined set of options. So here predefined set of options are start and end. So this is enum data type, and last one is timestamp, which is a float when activity happened. So each process has exactly two entries, a start and end, and our job is to calculate the average time taken by each machine to complete its processes. So if we visualize the table, so we can see examples here. So here multiple machines with ID 0, 1, 2. So we can notice the machine 0, which it starts at timestamp 0.7 and ends at 1.5. So if we calculate the average time for 0, so how we can calculate? So basically we are subtracting from end to start and adding all the uh, processes of a particular machine. So how we can approach to solve this? So basically we will be using self join to activity table, one for start and one for end. Then we calculate the time difference and take the average per machine. So let's write the SQL query. So let's first select a1 dot machine ID. So basically a1 is using as alias for process time start. We're taking average of a2 dot machine ID minus a1 dot machine ID. Sorry, timestamp. I think if I be using timestamp because we are taking the difference of timestamp as processing time from activity a1, and we'll join this with activity. So here we are using self join activity a2 on a1 dot machine id is equal to a2 dot machine id, and a1 dot process id is equal to a2 dot process id, and a1 dot activity type is equal to start a2 dot a2 dot activity type is equal to end, and finally we'll group by machine and take the average of those process time. Group by machine ID. So basically what we are doing, so we are join the table itself. A1 is for start and A2 is for end. Then we ensure we are using the same machine for the same process. So we'll use this, and then we subtract start timestamp and end timestamp to get the process time, and finally we group them to take the average of those times. So let's run it. Wrong. So let's see what we're missing. Okay, so basically here they said to round off to 3 decimals, and we are resulting in whole thing. So let's fix it using round function. Set this to limit p, and again run this. Yep, it's now running. So let's submit it. Yep. So the output will show the machine ID and processing time. So you can see for each machine, and that's how we calculate average processing time using SQL join in grouping. So if this helps you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more bit size SQL tutorials. Thank you.